Come on, let's go home. You wanna go home? Hi, Bebe.
Their tails are wagging. Both tails are wagging.
Look at you guys. Look, it's so cold.
Hey guys, Josh with Drone Animal Rescue. Right now I'm heading out to Linesville, Pennsylvania to meet up with Zach to look for two missing boxers named Ella and Bebe who went missing right before a brutal snowstorm came through the area. We're going on day 4 now with 0 sightings, no leads, coyotes in the area, and hope fading fast for the owners. It's a sunny morning, but the last couple of days have been brutal with several feet of snow and sub-zero temps. This one's not going to be easy, guys, and it will be an absolute miracle if we do find them. But I always say miracles do happen, and that's exactly why we're heading out to take a look. We're about 5 minutes away. We're going to come up with a search plan, get the drones up in the air, and hope for that miracle. Hello, I'm Josh, the drone pilot.
Yeah.
How you doing? Nice to meet you. You have any tracks anywhere? Or?
Yeah, my son said they went that way.
Okay, so we'll
Like
no sightings.
No
nothing.
sightings. I
We'll
really
give it a shot.
appreciate you guys.
Yeah, we'll give it a shot and see. That looks like a print going this way. There's a ton of them.
I think that's Bebe. The ear. There's an ear down.
I can just get
Oh, there it goes. Right there. Oh,
well, those are deer. See it? What is this over here? Well, this spot looks promising. Let's check it out. There they are. Looks like we found Ella and Bebe. Let me call Zach.
Hello.
Hey bro, I got them both. They're injured.
Are you serious?
that's both of them? They're both there?
Yeah, they're both right there.
That's awesome. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, good girls. Good girls.
So they're definitely showing some signs of injury.
Are you ready? Yeah, absolutely.
We're gonna get them.
All right.
I promise you, we're gonna get them.
I'm so excited. I am too, man. Oh gosh. That snow is so deep.
Hello.
It's me, James.
Hey, James.
Yeah, we're here.
Yep, I got you guys on the side of the road. Yeah, just walk with Zach, listen to what he says.
Okay. Okay, this is really deep right here. Let me walk up in here. Okay. Just straight back here. Can I get up in the woods over here?
We'll take a look here. Let me get I'm getting behind you guys here. Yeah, you can get up in there. Off to your right, you can get up in the woods. Can you see my drone or hear it?
Yes.
Okay.
Want me to just follow you?
Yeah, I'm going to stay a little bit ahead of you.
Okay.
But my drone is facing the direction that they are.
Okay.
Near that ridge, I think you'll be able to see them.
Okay. Yeah, if you just keep walking straight the best you can. Yeah, I know you'll have some trees and stuff in the way, but
How close am I?
you're only about 100 yards away.
Oh, really? Okay.
All right, the one is looking in your direction. The smaller one.
Okay.
Keep going straight.
Are they up on top of that ridge?
Yeah, they're up there.
Ellen, baby! Come on,
This is a creek right here, isn't it?
Hello! Where's the papa? know. I know. Where's our puppies?
Their tails are wagging. Both tails are wagging.
Okay, good.
Go get your babies.
All right.
All right.
Come on, let's go home. You wanna go home? Hi, baby. Look at you guys. Oh, look, it's so cold. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, it's so cold. Oh my God, it's so cold. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, hi, my God. Whoa, look at you. You gonna go home? Come on. Come on, let's go. Oh, man. Good job. How's it going, girl? Oh, look at that. How's it going? Come on.
Oh, let's go get warm.
Come on, let's go. Oh, good girls. Look at you, baby.
Y'all are champs. Y'all are champs.
Good girls. Good girls. Oh, that's a good girl. Oh, it's nice and warm in here. Come on.
As soon as they heard his voice, okay, their little tails. That's like an egg roll.
Celebratory egg roll.
Oh, I love me some good egg rolls.